1:45 in the morning. All the cars are just about ready. Well, I'd say they're ready.
Right then, today we're at Silverstone for the 750 Motor Club 6-hour Birkett relay race. We've got 2 teams this year, one all diesel, both TTs and as old Golf. Then the other team is going to be 4 Suzuki Swifts, one of them that we built recently, one of them Adams, and then the 2 that me and Scott raced in the hot hatch. We've got a long day ahead, let's see how we get on. Right then, this is the start of the Birkett race. I'm in a massive rush to get ready because 10 minutes I should be going out for qualifying in the Swift that's over there that we built yesterday, got finished at 5 o'clock yesterday, something like that, and drove down here. The first bit of testing it got was me running around literally the loop that we test drive customers' cars for a minute. So I need to hurry up, get my kit on, get in the car and hurry up. Busy morning, it's now 11:30, the race starts at 11:45, regardless of who's there. I'm starting in the Swift, Michael's starting in the Golf, he's already down there waiting, not sure what position our team's in, not sure what the handicap laps are, whether going too quick in qualifying, whether the handicaps, a lot of people sandbagging this and go really slowly and then at the last couple of hours just turn it up a notch. Yeah, so I need to go out in the Swift, really happy, I've qualified in the Swift first, then my TT, then Scott's TT, and Scott's done the same sort of in reverse order, so yeah, need to hurry up and go, everything's happening.
Safety car has pulled in, I think, and so if you like, the race proper gets underway. They've taken about 4 minutes or so to do that lap behind the safety car, but we'll now be getting down to some competitive lap times, which will be in the low 2-minute bracket for the fastest cars out there. circuit. That's one of the front-running cars, Scott, parking from 5th position in the Darkside Developments Audi TT. He has pulled off the circuit. He's looking for, he's looking for the gate out onto the perimeter road, I think, isn't he?
Oh boy, we lost the TT. We lost the gearbox. So the minute it's stranded somewhere on the track. Go, go, go.
Sit rep. Gearbox just gone back in. About half an hour too late though, because I decided to nudge into the back of somebody. So my radiator's all damaged, which is not good. That's rubbed into that, so that's not good.
Lost all power.
The Golf is dead on the track for some reason as well. So not the Birkett we wanted from the Diesel teams. All this happening next door. They're trying to build a Swift in the time it takes to race one. They did cheat a little bit and weld the roll cage in. Are you regretting your life choices?
Not yet.
Not yet. Put all those efforts into the Swifts, and then for some reason Adam came in 10 minutes after he went out, and then we sent Scott out who weren't ready, and then for some reason Adam's out on track at the same time as Scott, so we're just not, basically the laps are not counting at the minute. So anyway, we'll keep doing what we're doing and hopefully something happens.
time?
Yeah, I did actually. Yeah,
A little
I did.
bit pushy still.
I was saying to the boys, it's a much better balance in the dry than it is when it's greasy.
Yes.
So in the dry, the balance was not too bad.
You could work it and play with it.
Yeah, you could move the back a bit. It felt good.
So there's Team 6. They've had a checkered race indeed, haven't they? And they're way down the order now, Team 6. In 66th position. They've lost a lot of running with Darkside development, so things haven't all gone their way.
One of the Audis broke, one of the Golfs broke at one point.
Yeah. So they've been hobbled, and that is a problem when you lose. You do lose one or two of your cars.
So, I don't know how much Adam's going to leave in what's happened and the calamities and how things happened, but things didn't go to plan. I'm going to take responsibility for crashing. Apologise to the guy in the BMW who braked. It is what it is. I do apologise. Weren't intentional. I was fully on the brakes. I weren't stopping any more than I was stopping, so maybe I should have backed off a little bit more. But anyway, Swifts. Oh, well, yeah, that ruined mine. Scott's gearbox are dead, and then the Golf looks like the engine's died, so fuel pipe split, and then the injectors have just stayed basically wide open, trying to maintain the fuel quantity, which is I won't say a mapping error, but it's something we need to address. Yeah, so the engine's probably not in good fettle there, and it just started breaking up as time went on. And then the Swifts, we just did best we could. Pete went out and doing as best he could in that last thing. We found a few little issues with them. The camber arms are moving a little bit. The camber bolts are moving a little bit in some of the corners, so you're having a bit of weird